In today's video, I'll show you how to install VirtualBox on a Windows 11 PC. Before we begin, let's take a look at the minimum requirements. For processor, you want to make sure you have at least 2 cores, 4 is recommended. For memory, you want to make sure you have 4 gigabytes of RAM, 8 is recommended. For storage, you need at least 64 gigs. With that out of the way, let's go ahead and install VirtualBox on a Windows 11 PC. I'm on my Windows 11 desktop and I've opened up my browser. The website that I'm at is virtualbox.org. What we're going to do is go over to the download page. Over here on the left-hand side, we have different packages available. We have Windows, Mac, Linux, Solaris. We're going to be using the Windows host, so we'll click on that. And it's going to download onto our computer. The size of the file is 169 megs. It's done. We'll go ahead and open it up. If you get a prompt, just say yes. Okay, and here is our installer. So we're gonna go ahead and click on next. You need to accept the terms in order for you to proceed. We'll click on next. You can leave all the default if you'd like, or you can change the folder if you have a different location you want it to be installed. We'll click on next. And it's just a prompt over here letting you know that there might be a disconnection when you install. You can select your customized options over here and then click on next. And now we're ready to install. Installation is now complete. We'll go ahead and click on finish. And here is our VirtualBox manager. So what you can go ahead and do is click on new and you can create a new virtual machine. You can also click on open if you have an existing one. If you're looking for installation guides on how to install different operating systems in VirtualBox, you can check out my channel. But that's how you go ahead and install VirtualBox on Windows 11. The version that we installed is 7.2.6. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, please smash the like button. Catch you on the next one.